Welcome to the Craftswoman channel. This video is just for my waist beaters. Also, if you make jewelry, you'll want to know more about bead spinners. Now, I started making waist beads a while ago, and the reason why I was making them is because people wanted certain types of waist beads, although I was providing West African traditional waist beads to my clients. So I really didn't know what I was doing. I just kind of figured it out. So this video is going to be for those who are trying to figure it out. You can just watch this video and know exactly what you need to make your beading process easier and faster. So I do vend waist beads. I do pop-up shops, and I also sell wholesale waist beads on my website. I actually started making waist beads by hand. I mean, by hand. Everything was by hand. I didn't even use a needle until somebody asked me what type of needle did I use. So then I started to research different needles and start to learn which one was better for me. I ran across this electric bead spinner that it requires high powered batteries. So I had to keep on making sure that I had new batteries inside. Like after your batteries start to, I guess, wear down or whatever, like when it comes to a bead spinner, you need to have like fresh new batteries for it to run at the optimal performance. Now there's two sides or two directions that, of course, it can go up or down, left or right. Those are the different directions that the bead spinners go in. So it's like you can't really keep it running because you don't want to run down that battery. And I bought one and it broke. And then I bought another one and it broke. So they really did not last long, although it seemed like it was faster when I was using the electric bead spinners. So I went ahead and just later on got a wooden bead spinner. Although it's manual, you'll have to turn it yourself several times to keep the bead spinner spinning. It's not too much of work, but of course, using an electric bead spinner is going to be faster. So, you can just pick and choose which one that you want. But in my opinion, the best bead spinner is going to be the manual bead spinner, the wooden bead spinner. So if you're looking to make waist beads, bracelets, anklets, necklaces, any type of jewelry, I will suggest using the wooden bead spinner because you don't have to worry about it breaking down like my electric bead spinners were. And I still have these because I'm saying that I'm going to take them to somebody one day and get them fixed. I actually got one of them fixed when it broke down, and then the other one did the same thing. So I was like, you know what, I'm done. I'm just gonna use the wooden bead spinner. And so I put together the needles, the traditional African waist bead thread, and the bead spinner. They're all together, and I'm selling them as a waist bead making kit. So it doesn't matter if you just started making waist beads or you have been making them for years. I think this is a good starting point because I just did not know. It took me years to find out which needle to use. It took me years to find the right thread that wasn't going to break, that wasn't going to mold. So I have a durable, strong thread for you to use. Just go to my website, craftswoman.com, and go to where the waist beads are. Go to shop and go to where the waist beads are. And you can get this waist bead making kit. And it does include free shipping. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know, what did you think about this video?